Hi there, this is Tina with a quick minute to show you how to order the free boxes off of the UPS website, the ones that I've talked about before that are plain brown, and a lot of people really love them and have ordered them. Some people still are a bit confused on how to get them. So I'm going to walk you through the steps on the UPS website. You will need to get yourself set up with a UPS account. Once you have your account and you log into this page, you'll go over to these three bars. You'll get to shipping, and then you are going to go down here to packing and shipping supplies. If you ship UPS Express, these are free, it says. They're really cute. I don't do Express, but if I did, I would order those free supplies. And what we need is boxes and packaging. So we're going to go here to the order supplies. Keep in mind you can also order free labels. I order those as well. They're great for printing out your shipping label. They have the sticky back. Okay, so I have to log in, so give me a moment to pause this video. Okay, so I've gotten logged in, and once you log in, you're right here on this page, and you are going to choose the Continue button once your UPS account, of course, is in that box that I have blurred out. Then from here, these are the supplies that you can get. Remember, I told you can get the labels and stickers, so you would click here to receive those or to shop for those. But today we're going to be looking for packaging. So we will click packaging, and then we're going to scroll down. It is here. Just give me a minute to find it. I just don't recall how far down it is. Okay, these two right here, the one that says Security Box Small, Security Box Medium. Even though the picture looks like this, these are the plain brown, that craft paper brown box. And they only come in these two sizes, the 9-inch by 6-inch by 3-inch, and the 10-inch, 3-inch, 12.5-inch. And you get a case pack of 50 of them, and you will click this box here, you would click this box here, and then add selected to your order. And that is how and where you order your free plain brown boxes from UPS. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.